guys, Sammy here. Today's unboxing is gonna be a little bit different. Hey Julia, come on! This is the newest smart balance wheel. Let's just unbox it. So in the box we got the case and this fancy dual scooter. Okay, it's a little bit heavy. And an English manual. That's it. Nothing else. Just some foam to protect the scooter. Nothing else. And also we got another skateboarder. This one. And let's unbox as well. Wow. Just one of these. In the next, we are gonna show a little bit how to use this thing, how to use this dual scooter and this and that. Okay. Actually, Julia is the first time to ride all of these scooters. She has no experience at all, but you can see how easily she fits on these scooters. So Julia, let's try from that one, alright? From this one.
Okay, this is my first time to play the balance wheel. I have a little more nervous.
Yeah, she's a little bit nervous.
Don't let me fall.
First you have to, there's a power button here, just press. And then, here we go. Okay, Julia.
This is my first time.
Actually, this is not her first time, second time, you know. Should be very easy. Just like that. Just like that. Oh, here we go. Oh. Very easy, right? That's it. And you can also connect to your phone through Bluetooth, and it can play music. Turn the Bluetooth on your phone and then connect it to this this scooter. It's called a Tiki Robot. You see? It plays the songs. Now you can dance with the music. Woo! So, this skateboard comes with a remote controller, and to use it, it's very simple. And you press here, it will goes forward. It like goes forward, right? And if you want to back, you want it back, and then you just press this button, and it will goes back. And now I want it back, so that's it. But the remote control distance is on 5 meters. So if it beyond the 5 meters, then it will, then you cannot get it back. You cannot get it back. Nothing happens. See? So let's have fun. Hey, Julia. How do you feel about this one?
It's amazing. It's an amazing experience. It's my first time. I'm so scared, but now I'm so excited.
This one, I think, is the coolest product I've ever experienced so far. It has gravity sensor. Basically, just lean your body forward or backward, and then it will go forward or backward. That simple. That easy. We also got a big one here. Go! Of course, you don't have to do this. Just like this. Like a cool guy, you know, just hanging around. Sergey, you do some stunts with it. I will leave it to Sergey. Okay, hello guys. So these scooters, skateboarders, we will experience today, and like me and Julia, with this gravity sensor, it's just awesome. I like it very much. Julia, which one you like best?
I like this one.
This one and this one. And what about this one?
Horrible, I think.
Horrible.
Yeah.
Those are horrible. Okay, and this one you have to use with the remote controller, and this one I think is the worst. I don't like it at all. But that one comes with music, and also it has a better algorithm. I think you can control it a little bit better, you know. So guys, that's today's video. See you next time.